Across the world are going to celebrate female friendship today ahead of Valentine's Day tomorrow. The day of love can be overwhelming whether you're in a relationship or not. And to paraphrase the wise RuPaul, if you can't love yourself, how are you going to love somebody else, right? So joining us today is Malissa Melton-Otunba, a behavioral health counselor with Parkland Health and Hospital System. Melissa, why is Valentine's Day such a stressor for so many people? And what can you do right now if you're feeling stressed about it?
Well, I think it brings a lot of stress oftentimes because if we're not in a relationship, we feel that pressure that we're not, and we feel those insecurities instead of really embracing the holiday and learning to really celebrate just love in general, whether it's doing something special for yourself, for your family, or even your girlfriends like the Valentine's Day suggested.
Yes, and we always think about roses and chocolate, but why is it so important to embrace self-care?
Well, I think self-care really comes from this idea of self-love, really learning to love yourself unconditionally, no matter what. And from that comes this idea of taking good care of yourself, both emotionally, spiritually, and physically, and making good choices.
What are some of the things that you can do to embrace that self-care?
Really being aware, number one, of what kinds of things you're eating, exercising, really making choices that, help you to feel good, to feel your best, things that, will help you to function at your optimal level. Really taking care of your body physically as well as emotionally by being able to connect with people that you care about.
We do know that Valentine's Day can be triggering, so if somebody's feeling really anxious right now or not happy about the day coming up tomorrow, what can they do today to kickstart that relationship with yourself?
Sure, absolutely. Well, the number one thing I would say is probably to get off social media.
Smart.
Number one, because that's really triggering
yes.
And comparing ourselves to other people around us. And then number two, call somebody. Call somebody that you care about, a friend, a family member, maybe a child, so that you can plan something that will be meaningful for you.
And talk to me about the importance of acceptance, because I don't think we talk about that as much as we should. No. Self-acceptance.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we all have our strengths and our weaknesses, but I think learning to love ourselves beyond, regardless of those things, is very important so that we can really embrace who we are fully and make whatever changes that we feel like are necessary, but learning to understand that there are some things that may never change, and that's okay.
In El Salvador, where I was born, the holiday is referred to as the Day of Love and Friendship. And going back to that idea of Valentine's Day, why is it so important to embrace the other part of this day?
Because really, I think it's about celebrating love and relationships. So, we know as women, our friendships are very important to us. And so I think spending time with the women that we care about, going out to eat, maybe getting manicures, pedicures, or just even telling them that you care about them is just as important as in building those connections with one another, as well as feeling loved and accepted yourself.
Melissa, thank you so much, and happy Valentine's Day to you.
You too.